Previously, I installed metal panel siding on the solar shed. If you would like to see that video, it's available in the solar shed playlist. In this video, I'll be showing the highlight of how I'm going to connect AC power to the solar shed. I will be using existing exterior outlet to make the connection. 10 gauge wire are going between the electrical panel and this GFI receptacle. I also have to fix this broken PVC pipe at the bottom, but once I open it, I noticed the ground wire wasn't connected to the receptacle at all. So I also fixed that, and I also added this piece of PVC at the bottom to protect the electrical conduit. 10 gauge wire also go to the previous GFI receptacle to this receptacle that is approximately around 4 feet behind the shed. There was a cut in the neutral line causing electrical issue between the neutral and ground. I will use electrical tape to resolve that. I will add a short run of electrical conduit that will connect the solar shed to this electrical box. It will go 18 inches deep. I will use a 12 gauge wire to make the final connection. I can always update the wire size to a 10 gauge in the future if I need to. This is the end result after everything was put together. This is where the 12-2 wire will enter the shed. Then it feeds the first electrical box where outlet would be. This will be the second outlet. A third outlet is also on the back wall. Then the wire goes up to the ceiling where I will have a smoke detector. It goes down to the last electrical outlet. And then I'm gonna take it back up to fit those two light switches. One gonna control the outside light on both sides of the door, and the other one will control 6 recessed light. And this is what I'm using for the recessed light. I will leave link in the description if you're interested in getting it. Then I started making my connection using those type of wire connectors. I like those a lot better than the traditional wire nuts. The recessed light come with everything except for the service entrance connector conduit fitting. They do come with their own wire connectors. Then I strip the wire to the appropriate size, then push them in the wire connector. I got 2 exterior lights off Facebook Marketplace for $20. When I test them at home, one of them was flickering. I decided to fix it by purchase 2 lamp sockets for around $10. I think this is an upgrade because now I can put a regular light bulb in it, but I'm gonna get 2 smart bulbs to put in there instead. I use a piece of lumber to make a mounting block for the lights. Then I cut a hole in the mounting block and install a pancake size electrical box. This is how everything looks at the end. If you have been enjoying the process of the solar shed build, give the video a like and consider subscribing. Check out the solar playlist if you're interested in seeing more video about the solar shed. I will tag some of the items that I use in the video. I will also leave link in the description. If you have plan of purchasing any of those items, using my link is one way you can help out my channel. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one.